Okay, sir, let's start with auscultation.
Auscultation is very simple. Basically, we are trying to auscultate for bowel sounds in GI auscultation, and we are trying to check if there is any bruit. There could be hepatic bruit, there could be renal bruit, there could be abdominal bruit because of abdominal aneurysm. So these are the three basic things that we are trying to auscultate for. So, but more important would be abdominal sounds. So, where do we auscultate for abdominal sound? Is in the para-umbilical region. But if we are not being able to auscultate for abdominal sound in the para-umbilical region, another best place to auscultate would be in the right spino-umbilical line, along the right spino-umbilical line. Where is the right spino-umbilical line? This is the umbilicus, this is the ASIS. An imaginary line that joins the right ASIS with the umbilicus, that is known as right spino-umbilical line. About why is it so? Because this is the area where ileocecal junction would be there, and because ileocecal junction, there is a change in the caliber of the lumen of the intestine bowel. The ileum would be very small, cecum is very large. Because of this discrepancy, the peristaltic waves would be like more prominent, and it would be easily heard when auscultating, and that is basic that is how we auscultate for bowel sounds. We have to listen to the bowel sound. In medicine it says we have to listen to the bowel sounds for at least 5 minutes. If no bowel sounds are heard, we then comment as absent bowel sounds. If it is hyperperistaltic, we say we comment as borborygmi, hyperperistaltic bowel sounds. And hepatic bruit we auscultate over the liver, renal bruit over the flanks, and abdominal bruit along the course of abdominal aorta in the midline.
Okay, that done with auscultation.